Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable speak screen and what it does on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it's all going to work the same. So, what you want to do is to go to the settings, then you want to swipe down and go to the accessibility. Once you're here, you want to go to the spoken content, and here you can find the option, the speak screen. So let's turn this feature on, and now as you can see, swipe down with 2 fingers from the top of the screen to hear the content of the screen. So what you want to do is to take 2 fingers and swipe
Speak selection on. A speak button will appear when you select it.
From the top, and the iPhone is going to speak the content that is actually on your screen from the top to the bottom. And the controller, speech controller, is going to appear on the screen, and now here you can manage the settings. As you can, you can stop, you can
swipe down, speech, highlight, typing,
go forward, go backwards, and even
content on. Highlight content as it is spoken.
Manage the speaking rate, as you can see right now. So this is it. This is the option of speak screen and how you can turn it on and off. If you want to turn it off, the same actions, go to the settings, go to the accessibility from the main page of the settings, then go to the spoken content. Once you're here, just turn off the speak screen. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!